Planning a move from Moncton, New Brunswick to the United States? A cross-border relocation takes extra coordination, but a clear plan can make the process much easier to manage. For many 2- or 3-bedroom homes, moving costs may range from about $4,500 to $9,200. Your destination, shipment size, and chosen services will shape the final price. Full-service movers can handle packing, loading, transportation, and unloading. Container or self-pack options may cost less, but they usually require more work and coordination from you. Keep your passport, immigration papers, moving agreement, and detailed household inventory together. Organized documents can help your mover coordinate customs clearance and reduce avoidable delays. Cross-border delivery commonly takes around 5 to 10 business days. Distance, weather, route availability, shipment consolidation, and customs inspections can all affect the schedule. If you're bringing a car, confirm that it meets United States entry requirements. Keep the registration and insurance documents ready, and discuss vehicle transport separately when requesting your estimate. Ask for a written quote that explains transportation, packing, customs support, storage, specialty handling, and insurance options. Clear details make moving companies much easier to compare. Ready to plan your Moncton-to-USA move? Visit 3movers.com to compare cross-border moving options and start your free moving estimate today.